Hi, I'm Mark Daly, and I'm the Managing Attorney for the Community of Immigration and Naturalization Attorneys, Cina. We have a very special product for you now in the step-by-step immigration forms video tutorial. You're going to be going through this video sequence to build the forms that you need to petition for your spouse to get permanent residency in the United States. And we're very excited about this because what we believe is by going through these video tutorials step by step and line by line with us, you will prepare a petition that looks good and also contains all of the proper information. And this is very, very important because the Immigration Service, the embassies and consulates, the immigration judges, Immigration Customs Enforcement, and the Border Patrol, all of their jobs are not to let you in, but their jobs are to keep you out. So the goal of step-by-step immigration forms is to help you prepare cases that look good, contain good information, are well organized, and are presented properly to those agencies. Because what happens is when they see these documents come in this way, looking good, they start to respect who you are, they start to make judgments about who you are, and they like you because you're showing them the respect to do it the right way. And that is very important in this process because there are lots of opportunities for delays and there's lots of opportunities for bad judgment calls by the Immigration Service against you. And we can minimize a lot of that by putting together a product that looks really good. Now, as you're going through these forms, you might read a question that makes you feel uneasy, that makes you feel like you can't actually tell the truth on that question. We want you to pay attention to that because when you feel that, this is a red flag that you probably need to talk to an attorney about your immigration situation. These tutorials are not going to go into that kind of depth where we can advise you on what you actually need to do. So if you need advice, you're going to need to call an attorney. But other than that, we encourage you to go for it, fill out those forms, and start working on the step-by-step immigration form video tutorial.